everybody. My name's Umit Bali, and I've been wanting to get this chair. I've been waiting to get this chair from Officeworks for about 8 months. I was able to get it today. Now I want to assemble it. This is going to be the first time I've actually assembled a chair. So yeah, here we go. It says not to do this, by the way. Now the guy at the store told me that I did not need a screwdriver or any external thing to fix it because it came with the Allen key. I had a choice of either red or blue, and I chose the red one because I feel like blue is very mellow and calm. And when I want to sit down in this chair, I want to be like, ah! Ah! So I got the red one. Ah! The back, what does it say? It doesn't say. This bag is not a toy. Look, everybody! I'm a sperm! A sperm in a condom, yeah! I am Batman. I am Chair Batman. I am Chairman. I have corporate greed.
Trump's turnaround, the US president tries to calm political outrage over his Russian meddling comments. An alleged drink driver facing charges after crashing into his own home.
Seemingly siding with President Putin over his own intelligence community. Negative headlines from coast to coast. President Trump today in damage control.
Instruction. Bathurst Racer Chair. This chair has a load rating of 120 kilograms. Hey, that's good for me, because I'm a fatso. I have no idea what any of this means. This star-shaped thing. Face G. Upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. All right. It's actually quite satisfying. Yay. This is gas lift E. Gas lift cover F. Oh, over here. Front. Eye screws at the back. Allen key. This is the next one. Oh, here we go. Okay. Sweet. Yep. Attachments noted.
I swear, officer, it wasn't me. It was a one-armed chair.
Take me to your leader. I am Batman. I am backrest. It goes up to step 8. I think step 8 is probably just sitting on the chair. Do not tighten screws fully until step 7. Now you tell me? Well, that screw's tight. I'm not gonna untighten the screws. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Step 7. Fully tighten all screws J. Step 8. Your Bathurst race chair is now complete and ready to use. Step 8 was basically just sit on your chair. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.